Okay, I'm going to use the left in SQL. So firstly, I'm going to display everything from my CD table. Well, not everything, I'm going to display the artist, but the whole field of the artist. Select artist from the CD underscore table. Left one. Okay, so firstly I'm going to show the whole artist field. Okay, so it's being the full name of the artist. If you put that artist in round brackets, and we say left, you must actually specify how many characters from the left do you want to display. So let's say we want to display the first 3 characters from the left. You just say comma 3, and it will display the first 3 characters from the left. If you change it to 1, it will only display the first character from the left. So you can specify how many characters you want to display, and obviously you need to change the heading as well. Let's say we want to display the first 5 characters. From now on, we want to rename that one as first 5. Just to give it the heading a new name. Okay, first 5 is now the heading. Of course, I changed it to first 5, and I use the left. The field that you want to use, and the 5 is how many characters do you want to display.